If John puts 30 pencils in 5 boxes equally, how many pencils will be there in each box? Here, John is asked to distribute or divide 30 pencils into 5 boxes. So he will divide 30 by 5. The quickest way is to just think. How many times 5 can go into the number 30? Think. 5 multiplied by what is less than or equal to 30? We get 5 times 6 equals 30. So 5 can go into 30 6 times, or 30 divided by 5 equals 6. You can also use long division method. Here, dividend is 30, divisor is 5, quotient is 6, remainder is 0. That is, no pencil left. What we need here is quotient, which is 6. So, there will be 6 pencils in each box. Let's take another problem. If John puts 32 pencils in 5 boxes equally, how many pencils will be left? Here, John is asked to distribute or divide 32 pencils into 5 boxes. So, we will divide 32 by 5. And the quickest way is to just think. How many times 5 can go into the number 32? Think. 5 multiplied with what is less than or equal to 32? We get 5 times 6 equals 30. So, 5 can go into 30 6 times, or 30 divided by 5 equals 6. And 2 will be the remainder. That is, dividing 32 pencils into 5 boxes, each box will contain 6 pencils. And remainder 2 means 2 pencils will be left. You can also use long division method, where 32 is our dividend, divisor is 5, and quotient is 6. That is, each box will contain 6 pencils. Remainder is 2. That is, 2 pencils will be left. What we need here is remainder, which is 2. So, there will be 2 pencils left after division.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!